the True Match color corrector.
This is gonna be my before. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So do not.
To be using the Salon Perfect brush. I like to, you know, comb out my brows because I be having some curly brows. I don't know why. It's just, I always have some curly brows. We are going to, I do not like to look not natural, so I start at the beginning, but I go very light and then I get darker. Start in the middle like last time. Very light, like basically like you're not touching your eyebrow at all, right? So that's my eyebrows before the touch-up. Barely noticeable. Pro concealer, and I'm just going to dab and press it a little bit, and then I'm going to this doesn't have a name, but it's basically like a flat brush. I use a flat brush to get my eyebrows where I need them to be. Just spread it down first, because you never want to have too much on your brush. And this always helps with your eyeshadow, so that your eyeshadow could stay longer. And then I just slowly go. Apologies, my beauty blender's dirty. You always want to wet your. You don't want it soaked, but you also don't want it dry. It just helps distribute the product better. See that? See? See the difference? Okay. So there you go. There's one. There's the other. So that is how I evenly distribute. Get the Professional Pore Primer. Excuse me. By Benefit. I usually just use that much. Don't try to use too much because then it makes your face really oily. My nose has some pores. What are pores, you guys ask? Pores are what makes your makeup look uneven, like little holes in your skin.
Now we evenly distribute the product.
The True Match color corrector by L'Oreal Paris, and I use this for dark marks, of course, all on my chin. As we breaking out, and I do my mustache. You can't see. Now we're going to take the beauty blender and blend all this in. Extremely light. This beautiful Fenty Beauty Pro Filler 8E03. Boom. This is the L'Oreal Marcier. Now, my friend taught me a really cool trick of how to get this kind of even. You take this and you put this down here and you just tap it like that. Now, why do we put powder after foundation? Because foundation is very oily.
Okay, we are just spreading it. Make sure that you guys spread it a lot. Whenever you see someone putting on anything, they are blending. Blending takes a long time, so don't assume that it's going to be short. If you guys are still watching, I love you.
Now, it does look very dry. We are gonna fix that. We're using the Morphe Artistry Palette by James Charles.
Okay, guys, I have to do a voiceover just because, you know, this took a very long time. It was like 16 minutes, and I'm not trying to make the video that long. So right now, we are just putting the base of our our eyes, or whatever, and we're going to be going in with like a very neutral color just to kind of even it out. I love to even out my eyes. I have very big eyes, so you know you got to do something with it or whatever. So right now I'm putting it on the second side, and so I'm putting it on the second side. I'm making my ugly faces like usual. Now I'm gonna go in with I'm thinking and I'm dancing a very light color. There we go. It's a very light color. I love to make my eyes pop because God, like right in the middle, girl, yes. Now I'm gonna be looking crazy for a little while. Do not judge me. Even after I'm done with it, I'm still gonna look a little bit crazy because, you know, product gets on your lashes. I'm putting like a nice little pink on the middle side. It doesn't show that much, so you know, I'm gonna probably go in with something something darker. I knew me. Okay, so I am going in with something a little bit darker. Bomb. I love it to pop, like slap you in the face kind of pop. Yeah, so then we're putting it on the second side, and I do not blend until the very, very, very end because I just feel like every time I start blending and stuff, it just completely messes me up. So I wait till the end. I'm going in with the brownish kind of color at I think that was the third row, last one. Yeah, and it's very dark. I do not like dark colors. It always messes me up. Makes me look like I got punched in the eye. I don't know why I grabbed that one, but I'm grabbing an even darker one with my ugly face. And now I'm almost certain that I'm almost done. Oh, I messed up. Okay. You can fix that, girl. You got this. Yeah, you got this. You got this. All right. So I am going to put a little bit more white in there. Yes, because I already know if you mess up with that dark color, girl, I know what you're saying. I know. And I'm going in with another dark color. Oh, this is like a glittery brown. I thought I could fix it. I don't know. We're going to see. We're going to see how you end up. So now we are blending. Blend. I can't say this enough. You have to blend. Keep blending. And then when you're done blending, blend some more. And then when you think you're done, you're not. Blend more. And bow, girl. Yes, do that thing. Ooh, look at how popping that pink is. Oh, I love pink. I just can't even take it. Pink is everything. Pink is life. Pink is life. All right, so I am going to cut out of this voiceover. I love you guys so much. You guys have an amazing day. This was interesting doing a voiceover in speed mode. I got the kids, so if you hear them, my bad. Please do not forget to follow us on our platforms. Welcome to House Gilliard on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. DM us what you think. DM us what you would like to see. We just want to tell you guys that we appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for the comments, the likes, the shares. We love you guys so much. You guys are amazing. Better Skin Concealer by Maybelline. Now this picks up my nose a little bit, so I have a very flat nose.
I tend to not like to have a flat nose or fat nose or whatever you guys want to call that. Contour. But definitely not least is the Morphe contour.
All right, so now we're just gonna go in, bronze our face, make our face look skinny in the areas that it needs to look skinny in, and as well, make sure that you blend into your skin everything, because you will end up looking like a clown if you don't blend correctly. And I just want to apologize because my phone died and I could not get the baking down packed, but my baking is just a banana powder. That's it. I'm going to be taking the same exact brush and I'm just going to apply it to the highlighted areas, and it basically just evens the tone out because you still have a little bit of dark on there, and it just completely blends everything in the right way so you don't look like Casper the Friendly Ghost.
With the They're Real Benefit Beyond Mascara, because this be having my lashes popping. I'm gonna go in and give ourselves some color again.
Sorry guys, my eyes is big, but I am going to be going in with the mascara. I do it a couple of times, a lot, not a couple, a lot, because I just want to make sure that it's even, and it always takes me, you see, I'm checking. It always takes me a little while to get it together, but I end up going in, making sure this is my favorite mascara. So I like to have that, you know, very long lash effect. Bow, girl, yes. Work it. Go in with your eyeliner and gets it popping.
I use brown. I used to not use brown, but now I use brown because it doesn't make my eyes like too dark. It looks real. So
now we're gonna go in with the lip liner, you know, just to make sure that everything is on and popping. As soon as I started using a lip liner, when I tell y'all how it changed the game, like it changed the game. I also like to stare at my lipstick like, hey girl, how you doing? The way I make my lips kind of pop and make them look like a little Cardi B, that's a nasty lipstick, but is I put like a lighter color right in the inside.
Kind of look like Cardi B's lips. I know some people don't like it, but I love Cardi B's lips. It's just her daughter has the same thing. So here we go. There's my look. Badescu skincare. So if you like this look and you would like different looks for big eyes or just anything, let me know. Let me know how I did. Let me know some things that you guys would like to see. And of course, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you watched till the end. And I love you guys so much. Thank you. Get ready with Lay.
Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. Have you liked, shared, subscribed? Oh, okay. Now, and hit that post notification. You don't want to miss out.
I did it.
Thank you so much. I love you guys.